Now, tag that Ebonyi criminal son, that Ebonyi lost son, that Ebonyi bleaching son of a nobody, that trash of a nobody. Why that his cheap blackmailing can never hold water? You see, this Ebonyi son, he's a criminal. He's a bandit. Anydri. Ihuna Ebonyi son, top lesser 0-0, that useless idiot. That is after damaging people on his so-called page to make money. You see that top 0-0, that useless man, is the problem was because he have made sure that Oga will put something, put wrong caption to attract people's image, so people will click. People will click and feed his poverty, useless life. That useless man, top 0-0 minus O. He's a very hopeless idiot. He's a very, very hopeless, useless man. I'm telling you this with no. You wanna go she yabe capture ihoma that is a lie. Yabe me heba. You want to go? That man even worse, his own thing is worse than wear belly face. You want to go? Now, Ebonyi lost bleaching son. You can never, you see, as far as we live on this earth, we will keep exposing you. We will keep exposing you because you are a criminal. It will just one on your she na one place about Facebook make a rule revenue to come and eat. Hungry vultures. Hungry vultures. Facebook have opened gates of demons. Can have on social media to come and lie. Tag that useless Ebonyi lost criminal son. That thief. You are a thief. You are a criminal. You are a manipulator. And when anything is she gonna know today, where's you? Guys, share this video before I will play that useless, lying son of a nobody. Onya Bruno, Uzu. Look at how cheap you can go. Because you guys know that what I'm saying about Jpac, Onya with the pipe, you guys will go and bring old videos back to distract me. Somebody called me this morning. Thank God my husband was here. After morning, I was going through my phone. So after the good Nash, because he tried, he just came back from, so I needed him to, you want to go? 4 days, before 4 hours. When you all know, I could be for 4 days. That is especially married women. That is a problem. So I can't know better this morning. Because all about late. Oh, you're late. Ma, you're late. And I didn't want to disturb him at night. So I allow him to know. And I got the one charm. So my channel, man, no panel bed now is screw in my Facebook now. After your prayer, the next thing is Facebook. As you know, say, after me walk, I no get no life. I know they go vacation. I know they go anybody's house. I know they go outside. I know they party. The only place I get is after now, I go walk. After work, I go return here. You want to go? After work, I go return here. When I wake up, I go saga. Then after saga, I go walk. Those are the things where they do. I know they carry money, say, are they travel anywhere to go and please anybody? No, I'm not living to please any bagger. Onye chori je Kafanchan ya jema. Onye chori je South Africa ya jema. Onye chori je Dubai. When they go, what they ije chagayo, bear my nose or go 1 and 2. You still they live fake life. I no get on a time. I no get rubbish. When I shower talk, I go the level of brain. Say when time for all this rubbish. Walk, go. Social media is my social life. Apart from social media, that is my social life. When I party, Igbo me he can Ogechi 24/7. Those days are over. I have passed that stage. So when you try to be $1, now your business is none of my business. Now, Please, it's in my kind of share button. Now share button, they follow page. Now share long, and when a very long list for trouble. And also tag that deportee, nona Dubai, and or nkitabola. That's a nkitabo, that a wubaola, no tag him. Tag him. I don't know where you're watching me from, but if you want me to read your comments, come to no grief for anybody. That is where I did. I'm maybe warriors. I'm going to hand on a local saga. Am I in the stages of sagas? I am not an international saga. So my warriors, I'm going to hand on a local saga. When you local saga, I don't know. But if they are here, they will be directing you where I am. What I go? Some of my warriors hand on a local saga. Some of you are my local saga. Local saga, here you have fake accounts. 90% of Eba, but Eba will real account. So, I can bag the two different things. Tag Nketabola. Tag Ochichabola. Tag Mpi Nyakot. Tag I was a president and now I became a beggar. Tag that thing. And on that day, rest in peace. That's the day your problem started off. This blew up. You know that day, that was the day your pain started. I may make him marry. Chimaro, making him marry. Of your putu, what we wine. It was really just story. You what I go? The day he were a land negi. No mun negita rest in peace. That was the day you get crew minute because that was the day you gonna do one yam one target. Yeah, go yam gonna get caskia. I can make him marry. Chere around. My this page, I'm a lot of fuzz. Chama band doggy. Ebeja, ejim iPhone on a dream easy. Ejim iPhone. Oh yeah. My this page and that time Otu ama no ho na ejim iPhone today. Otu ama no ho na Ogechi Okeke Njaka, but people are seeing me there. You want to go? Eba kahagana no, and this page has sanitized be me. I used to be one that shall never cease. Him the Jpac matchmaking. I used to use it for matchmaking. Gije down. You'll understand what I'm saying. This page used to be one that shall never cease. Oh yeah, the name of this page. So I decided to change the name. And the name on Facebook, if you change name, to change it back again, you what I go? So one day no Ogechi Okeke Njaka shebe kam no. You come this page, you follow this page. What I go? For those of you that are still single, you know this page, a lot of people do. This particular page, only go thousands of people do. Just as in the hang with balaga, they could not come and testify. But if you have been my old time followers, what I go? You know, so page you know only go pretty many people G. So give her the name, don't be confused. It still remain that one that shall never cease. What I go? I block go. So my warriors now pretend on then on Ogechi Okeke Njaka this side. Two ways is that people neighbor got join here. So now share. Y'all may share lang. Got drop wires. I get make Christmas bloody Christmas giveaway. Achorom ke share party body. All fake account share. Do not use fake account to share. You share tag my name. You share it to millions and millions of pages. Tagging ketabola. Kate hour for hour 1 million for June. But on our bali also. You what now? Ebonyi lost son. Ebonyi bleaching criminal lost useless son. Ebonyi disgraceful son. Ebonyi its son. Ima thoughts like you. Their own investment will be able to know the money. You want to go? Each and all back in the days where people will come. My uncle in the US. My auntie Diego. I got some much no. As you they open your wife auto. Now, manya matter that all your responsibility. I'm no way go. I got now book on looking at a jazz and don't know like now book will destroy those children's future. Yes. E go all little to shame. I got now book on. I got now learn home again. Because every course that I'm gonna leg you will go to that thing him on oil mark. I will cost them because you're costing millions of people pain by lying with your bloody lying demonic life. We curse, and that curse will be going direct to your children. What Allah? Because at time progress, you will get that last. You'll be wasted. And the same thing, no much a kundo shina I get destroying that thing. What I go? Now let me play this video. That come kawana get this video. Tag that criminal. Tag that criminal and up with Ebonyi lost sound. Tag I'm the 500,000 Jpac Ponyeregi. You're working so hard. Hey, what can we do with Ogechi? Igelaga pute video. Do you know why I did not talk about that video? Because Ezi Kukumere video almost getting to 2 years now. You went and dig it out. You think it will distract me. Did you see I did not say anything about that video? I will not. Because any distraction you get put in a DJ pipe matter that will hold water. Lie. And say how I just overlooked that video. This useless top, useless that hopeless man. I go one that get buna. I go one that got gel on stout is he should be number 1. Because all young one tea go kun. Oh young one tea go kun. Ni henny ne many. Oh, young one, that's top 0 minus O. That useless idiot. That hopeless thing. Oh, young one, it's ego na because some are with the followers. And there's some gullible dominal and a DDT. Ne soya are there. You want to go? Nditi. Ne soya there. Now, let us listen to useless hopeless son of Ebonyi. The only man that brings dirty and filthy lifestyle. Anambra State. This is a definition of those that made it possible. With the definition of that. All on compound the generation here. Eba hoko shaputa. Aho jana one day this is the founder. Grandchildren. Now let's listen to this CT with his cheap blackmailing and his lie. Wait. Let's start from the beginning.
4 days ago or 5 days ago, I posted this thing on my page that Akozion reported my videos for intellectual property earlier this year. A lot of you were like, Ebonyi, you are lying, you edited it. Even this issue of Panka, who should do? This boy is here.
Tag Olodo TV. Tag him for me. Tag Olodo TV. Tag him for me. Olodo TV got the English. You mind like Olodo? Wise sound, intelligent, brain, they work. You want to go? Where sound are well. Olodo is not you. A pass. It then 1 naira pass. Hey, like I said, this content, the people that are not supposed to talk to you are not talking to you. Olodo is well sound. A man himself, and people wear position, appoint, down any appointment. I get you Olodo appointment because you deserve it. Well sound, morally sound, educational sound, well organized. Get what the government that work do okay. Look at you there, what the Olodo on. Or in what ground? In what level of life go I get taking Olodo TV? I'm gonna talk Igbo promote our this thing. And when they big pushing with on, you pushing any Olodo issue. Oh, because of bad Nigerian, you know. You pushing by office Olodo, yes sir. Yes sir. That is only with on. He's 101,000,000% better than you. In all ramification. Are you bleaching out? Are you also Or somebody that carry propaganda, he's speaking the way he sees it. He's far, far better than you. You are just a coarse individual. Bro, look at of your age, you are still rubbing bleaching. Different colors of Ndaba made. Different colors of Africa. When Olodoji Jiganji as an Igbo man, complete Igbo black man who calls Jiganji. As Usude Kage, a wasted son. What I go? I'm a Yaji man. I'm a non line Jiki. Katos one sushi. You are just a useless, hopeless thing. You want to go? Now listen.
Olodo TV, put on a Facebook, edited. Listen to this voice note. Even Ogechi Njaka, put on a Facebook, edited.
I will be Njaka, yes. A people Jim, yes, or him. Am I disputing it? I will be Njaka, yes. At least I won't meet a shower that have gone around you with a town. Nah, let me block you, show Olodoron in me. Oh, yeah? Otila, Singapore is not meant for you. You want to go? I'm not a prostitute on an Ipunjaka. Yes, oh, him complete. That's who I am. Am I disputing that? No. But at least I'm not useless like you that looking for Tenkobo to propaganda. Now let's listen to your lies that you keep telling to your useless Ndewe brain.
Into this voice note first before you know whether I edited it or not. Let's go.
It was yesterday the prophet that he picture more when I email you may have more to follow the password. I'm going to delete the email because I'm not one that I have prophet that he preach in Bible. It's okay now.
I don't hear them, Abi.
In this voice note, when Ken, the Palace of Justice, the one that is apprehended, in Ghana, when Ken had a portal page here, Ken ran to Jpac. Jpac gobiare wa Kozayon. Gemapa nonti anjishono because share this video. No nya, this boy is a criminal. This boy is a born criminal. Ebonyi lost son. On that, this blue app. This voice note, Ken ran to Ken Buzobia to me. I declined the offer. I declared I didn't even want to pay him attention. He ran to Jpac. Abramuno. And when he Jpac mega home. Do you know who released this voice to this idiot? Jpac. Onya shi ya bia me test you to ya. Ibu be. Ibu be echo. Sorry, Ike ya na me echo. Yana baro so. Now, Jpac. Ken went to Jpac to go and apologize to This is a voice note. I could reply at Jpac. I don't know how manipulating. You guys are the reason you guys are the reason because when he toro abrogi huna give here na. How wonu dey put Ebonyi ahojo. How wonu Ebonyi is good to associate with him, but people like you are the reason people identity Ebonyi name. People like you. Ebonyi, if you guys don't stop cautioning this criminal, Ebonyi criminal son. If you guys don't start cautioning this thief that will do anything to damage your reputation, now here we do. Now we gonna use some out to connect that he and Ebonyi where you make on a day there. They allow him to be lying. Or ahunu chineke just goes you. Yakwa mom wine Ebonyi, they are good to marry, loyal to a fault. Whenever I want to recommend, I will recommend. But a huna ondonya get into na reputation na this blew up. Anokwa mi enwe bem gara o. Enwe bem gara. So, like I was saying, Jpac spoke to Ako. Ako left this voice note to Jpac. Shia, na ya ga agbahara ya. Na ya ga agbahara na Chineke gbere ya gbe. Here we voice note Ako left on behalf of Ken. Now Jpac choga everything. Everything. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim here. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim. Tagaram. I respect that man a lot. I respect that Reverend Father a lot. Tagaram here because I want to say something in Chorikwe Bono. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim. Tagaram here. Imana page here. Tag him here. Now, this criminal brought this voice note now. Because all Matalana people are Matalana home that's in edits. All Matarana people mana Ozuroshi, he's a criminal, he's a bandit. All Matarana people are Matalana, all many that's in a deed just to dent Ako's name. But boss Sogaho, Ako send the here. Call that your boss. Ako sent this voice note. One nature channel you who Jpac in your this thing. Holland pro Jpac and I know wash. Each channel. Yahoo Jpac in this voice no, you criminal. Man, everything in pro Jpac no wash. But all ya, man, everything in pro Jpac no wish you. Jpac is doing everything possible. Everything possible to silence this movement. Oh my God, now I'm coming with more facts. Yeah, can I buy it? You want to go? This voice note to who? When Jpac Branina Ariako go remove that report. Otirina Ken's page here reporter Kenny that led Kenny to his doom now. That it made Kenny when got to his doom now. I have this voice note on your baby attach. When people have discovered that that in a deed on your criminal on you shiko. I am just saying, share this video when you're watching me. Truth must always stand like I'm toto. Onya bandit, onyu shiko, Ebonyi criminal. And when you look at me to silence this movement, and when anything in Jupiter can silence this Jpac movement, 500,000 and you keep putting yourself into shame. It cannot disgrace your wiki. Go and dig more old videos. You will keep disgracing your criminality. You want to go? You keep disgrace. Also, 500,000 ekeru munu na top omo. Manda jechana wedding ya. Iherega wunkunu. Nga kam no na. Yakwa my strength on Facebook for 48 hours. Ogechi I get them. The only thing and I cannot stay 48 hours one. If I'm not working, all 24 hours I'm here because this is my life. Oh, this is my my vacation. This is my enjoyment. I enjoy destroying idiots like you. And when my corner also here, if it's not that I'm working, if it's until I manage my business to my thing, make me to no in office. Nyama no ya woto when again woto. No again woto. Do shinandama. Listen, criminals. On your voice note now, without asking to get the bottom of what happened here. Hey, believe Woya on your share. This criminal. Listen.
On the voice be here. Or no, bro, because I on voice be here. And they lie. Now let me tell you, if a Facebook report your page for intellectual property,
I don't even want to go this far. I think I have cleared the air. Yeah, voice notes. When Jpac came asking for Akuya because when you can to me, me didn't take a man here. Kenny then went to Jpac because all Jpac can Akuna then I'm mother. I could left voice note for Jpac. Na God gwara ya gbahere la that na egbara that in email ahụ na otufuola ya. Na eji that email. This thing has nothing to do with this criminal. Shouldn't you provide the other boss ya? This is how they go up deceiving people like you that don't ask questions, that don't want to get to the bottom of the truth. This is how they lie and keep lying. You want to go? Agbala ma akubasara this guy. Mama me on the chain. On the chain with that issue, do because that issue happened this problem but to trust me, you are drawing close. Each and every matter. Do you think all these people you're representing, they will abandon you? Mba Udela when a contact. I'm not gonna dispute that. In my health contacts, Udela get contacts, but contacts yamicha bawo for contacts carry contacts in the matter. You want to go? People you're dealing with are not your mate. Oh, people you're dealing with are not your mates. Obigagwa why very dark man stayed 1 million safe away from Ihe Basara Zion. Now that time your mind didn't tell you, but I'm warning you. You know, this brimstone in a fall on your head. You get put on name in short period of time. Every day, you come and lie. Imagine say for this your video because I'm a pilot. Now, one day I am going to enter. I am on a pen. I represent Ambassador Kani. I'm the only sister getting on a police. On your body bruno, she warning. And she have told me that I won on several times in the chohin. No run and here was wrong. Naga hapogi get Jpac. Maybe who big advice and you don't want to hear. Let me tell you, Matthias can't save you. Matthias have Matthias is now with a team of lawyers. They are hungry lawyers. Lawyers gonna pay he basu sentence again. Keep fucking around with the wrong people. And I'm but you don't want to know. Hey, until each and under all these people, Babyoku get say Babyoku cannot save you. Babyoku will not save you. Mark my words. Keep fooling yourself. Keep fucking with your life. Babyoku will not save you. Go and write today's date in Nagwagiha. Tag yakwanum Babyoku. Tag yakwanum Babyoku. Babyoku will not save you. Ebonyi lost son. You see all these propagandas in her pile, in her gula akananya, igurieba, gegurieba, igurieba, gegurieba. If you guys search your old videos, about Ebuko, hey, Anama Balagi, and then I get power, get away. If I get maga silent that they win my head dika. Crowd to man and the canu puluru no wa. Crowd to opuluru people in church and nothing can suppress that crowd. If there will be a day, that crowd will be no more. Haskata. You are nobody. You are nobody. Ima, Ashi, Anado, gene, ya malielu. You want to go? I don't want you. I don't want you. Ina hani until today. Okay, Rejiri. Some people got putana akwe. Akwe na he pull up my manner of propagandas. Jpac can make 500,000 Ghana Mali ono. Jpac can make 500,000. Get put everyone propaganda. Now cause trouble up and down. Now cause a problem up and down. The day Akwande na say na no go tell them. People will go there. And I may many announce and people think it's a joke. You went and edited some report and when you report again. You touch it with an people discover that is Russian to Russian. You went and brought out voice note to send on behalf of when Ken was apologizing, pleading. In Basara page, yeah. When this ex-convict, when this wear face came pleading on behalf of Ken, I could have to send this voice note, which is I'm aware. Edge him the voice notes. Now, Ibrahim touch with another lies. Abia Burugena nige provide all these lies you're telling. Everywhere, are we here? Uno na head deform na hammato na. Ne deform ya. Ne deform ya. Ne deform ya. E shoge rejiri. Tagara Makosayon here. Taga Kosayon here, please. E shoge rejiri. Iputela the other one. Propaganda akon. No jukra report to page. Everybody know. Muwa who go the thing barage. That's it. And before you, we've been on social media. You went and edited it. You went and forged another lies. Just to make it, to prove a point. To prove a point. Now, guys, listen to this voice note too. Nah, I made my husband this sending and this WhatsApp before. I got restriction from Facebook because I commented of someone who was writing not comment how MJ code words and people think Ogechi I don't know how to do write up. I just they laugh. On Facebook just write up sometimes it will not even make sense. You'll be so confused. Some people say, oh, every time she until you get on this game of the word, you get dizzy shigina, they put one or two together, somebody they write up. Because you don't understand. Sorry, somebody not complain and I had sorry, you got to code them. No, you see how they make my post sometimes, they may be confused. Common EMT mistake it fight. No report as bullying. Thank God that Facebook went through that video before. You have to code your even I might not I'm there fighting. Make by still they captured it. So sometimes if I write something, it doesn't make sense. But when you are then on Facebook for a long time, will understand this. You write up actually yes, no problem. Because when like a Facebook go they confused. Can't hear reporter if it did not match, they ignore you. Now, I want you to listen to this voice note. Because Echina, Onkuha, Oshi IB, Gapota, she is just a joke. Apega koshoni now. Akwine mena kuna hoya. Echina gabia putane defend aro because unu the content creators ndo shina ma. The southeast ya unu mere meeting no ola mena aro una bele defend ya. Any of you men are unu collect ego any unu percentage ku unu bele defend ya as lies. Because unu na group of lies. Group of lies. Onye maru, onye ke defend there. Onye ma because uno na group, uno na union. That when you lie, another person will come and lie and defend. Ya choro ge want small money. Gane susu. Ne ti go we gina nsobu. Oh God. Get this voice note.
Oru next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma put us yes now ebuko bi mu onyo me abortion e ma kwa mu ma cause commotion ma put us ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ria o me won girl abortion the girl chi de mu de nwa onwo chi achiwo pia da fi me onwo I will make sure that I cash like 50 million because I'm like the video go well so next month so bacherum
it's all about money. It's all about lying and bringing propagandas. And Onkuha IB have been saying all this atrocity. Their president, the main president of Ndaro, they're not gonna come out and speak against it now. Onkuha IB, this video, Onyi Kuku Mere, years back, that this idiot brought out again just to tarnish Ebukobi's name. Hey, Akuna Balanketting. Because of getting to shut me up. Now this particular trending, now Jpac go and examine it. Una chong kogame examine it unumpa. No game. Unu put the old videos. Onkuha IB. Akwanya machine again. I know the siam. Because I hear Basare Bukobi. On here pull all this propaganda. Sana puta and they save Riyaho. The day, like, can she play there and would tell an court? Are you this person? Yashim, but no AI. Are you this person? No AI. Let me tell you. Mboga kwesu, don't call AI. AI your did not save him. AI your because I'm AI email. I'm gonna hate text AI. The generated AI and the original content. I don't tell ona. Una no go advise some now. Imagine Ogechi Namara on a problem. Iprule buko bi video kukume kuko onu na where mere kemwe how many years ago? Ki iprula na puta to also deceive gullible idiots. And nobody will advise you now to stop this thing in Ezuzu. This is also how you did this. Uncle no IB apota support to your John or Egurebu. Nkana that you fabricated again or Egurebu. This latest one now that you also brought to deceiving them, madam. I don't tell you. Your story will worse like. Your story will be worse to like Ke Udela. And you have been committing all these things and nobody is seeing you. Nobody is seeing you. Mwanya na afopi. Mwanya no like akune Jpac. Aku idiot. Aga mafugo pia football ganya that opi kanja football ganya na Sweden na hen. That of Olio Chahum na African get football ganya na that your useless Sweden no. In we gaga chora kon na Tony ga go na Facebook.
Oru next month Jpac. Ma cause problem. Ma potasi yes now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. The ma kwa mo. Ma cause commotion ma potasi na ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. Ome won girl abortion. The girl treat the more than one or more. She will be that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So back
when how devilish and how demonic this guy is. How devilish and how demonic this monster is. Now, let me address Reverend Ephraim. Reverend Ephraim, you're a man of peace. I've known you for a long time now. And I respect you so much. You're a man of peace. And when the man don't respect you, you're one of those men they respect. You called me this morning because you wanted peace. My husband told me to listen to you. And I listened to you. Because of Jpac matter. Yeshim, that we're gonna rectify this. Magwage, that before we rectify this, I'm gonna give him game. And as far as I'm concerned, this Jpac to come and be tarnishing Akozion and the Daddy Ebukobi. That peace may not hold anymore. You want to go? Okay, Aya. Otila. I'm why I cannot block you guys with this phone. It's only removing this thing. You got to go? I respected you. And you, Marshall, how many days will I give you? Jpac now. I don't know how many people that he's reaching. I promise to give you 7 days. People tag here. Your call after your call was the first thing he received. And the Mashigi knows, sir, I cannot disrespect you. But as far as these people keep, this Jpac keep telling these criminals to be bringing old videos. I would have no choice than to disagree and disregard that call. I will not even listen to it. Oh, I am telling you, because you didn't know Bina. I will not listen to it. Even today, mind you, see, I only give him 2 days. 2 days is okay. If you don't want to do it, that 7 days I have cancelled it. 2 days is okay. I'm just gonna leave him for 2 days. But after that 2 days, I will come back to my main game of Jpac. 2 days, because I need to take him mad. Okay, take him mad more than 24 hours to make a decision. As far as I put these people over, I will not leave Jpac. Because you know me gonna cover ebe ministry go pre-bogo. So it's only 2 days, sir. With all due respect, I'm not mandating you. But when this propaganda on about these people, they release a voice note that has nothing to do with him and any. Jpac is the foundation of all these lies. He's the foundation. As far as he's on the ground, walking and don't want to come and clarify him on with money, I will keep permanent on Jpac. Because I see no reason Jpac should release voice note and on behalf of Ken to Ebonyi lost son. I see no reason why these two things have anything to do with each other. I see no reason why he released on Ken matter. Kojiri got anything to do with this criminal, this onyo shishi from Ebonyi. I don't why Jpac is waiting for his son. Esendria, na here basara akon. Sorry, na here basara Ken. Then this criminal attach to prove a point that he lied. Yeji apare wande kure joku. Pare wa keza he Olode TV. Now, in Ibolam Nash Mapuke, I want 2 days only. 2 fucking days only. You want to go? This guy, man, hearing them the kuwe shoku. I want to show up Paula Saga, but he's releasing false information just to shut the main topic up. He's everywhere, releasing, shutting the whole because all man am pampuramu. And some people will still come out to defend him. Some people will still come out to defend him. Are you okay? And I asking people defend the guy genuinely. Genuinely, people defend the guy. Jpac, as more you trying to cover, as more useless you become. As more you trying to cover, as more useless you become. Now your cover up. As truth begin to glare. You see how low? You see how cheap? You see how low you can go? Okay. Okay. And when better job, but my better job will to block your shower life. Yeah. See you. This place is not meant for prostitutes. And when you pay you, when you banana I console you. Go there. This place is not for my shower. Get there. Go. Get there. Continue your job as a shower chorister. Singapore. As more Jpac, you trying to subdue this, it will never pave way. It will never work. 2 days. Come here. Maybe don't am bomb nishigi. Agama bagidegi disembo. Ndotapa Nigeria mana abagia. Also like a higher and then the higher and demo for Ogechi matter. Look at how you're jumping like a scroll inside, making no contact to put an end to this. Look at how you're struggling, fire making another saga, but you are doing saga on the ground. You are bringing everything to make sure that the message will not continue. Are you not? Who is fooling whoself? When you're a fool on you. Going a fool on you. The voice note, they are aware. Mbako sendere. I could have to resend me those voice notes. The one here, sendere. Jpac. Go send the arena and okay. Can you want the audacity, potan? Can you want the audacity, potan? Biakwo, no wo, voice note on your behalf. Can you know about it to cover up? That is my question. Can you know agree? Can you know about it now to cover? I just want to find out. Can you know about it now to cover up? Are you covering up that the truth that Ogechi won't co-sister? You wanna come she make Gaga Yam Baba program? Gano kware again. Because no matter how you trying to pretend, the truth must surely be coming out. Because the same way you don't think before you talk, the same way you make on that day bam. Na so person Guaragi. Sorry, na so person mbogula orendrage help ya shige ohuru. Mgbe wụrụ o nyere gị help ya shi gị kpohuru na ike mkpọhụ otu la agwụla gị. Ana akwarịsị kara unu eshila ndị Nnewi o nke a ka anyị ga-eje ma na ndị Nnewi unu oshiri iko ndị Nnewi o ga-apụta first time ga-emewe isi go taa. Oh my God. Ịnwụọna emetewere gị ebere. Your saga members ndị otu gị na ị na-enye rubbish information na-atụrụ ashị. Accept the fact that they will get brave. Accept the fact that they will get brave. Atụzila ashị. Are you the highest content creator? But that are you the highest content? One day, man, she will get. And I actually shut them up. Why would Ogechi say it? Oh, she take oh no matter how you guys trying to cover. One day, what? All these things. This voice note, this connection, it's just a matter of time. It's just a who day. Ebonyi son emene luma le Ebonyi lost son, Ebonyi bleaching criminal son. Emene luma la doke. Yashi na no ima no like reakon. Ima no like reakon ne jako ebu. Ima no eje ebuko obi ebu. Ngabu pute ihe na. Yeah, ekuwe ya hapu ebe anyị na-aga. That is ichila nke mbaka mme ya na ye face mbaka ima no ngonyo na tojo. Mme ya na ye face mbaka. That mbaka onu did not work. Why didn't you come and dispute exactly what I said about you here? Was and came back. Geshe ba shift o. Garita na nke ezu eze kukuman kuku onu no na akwa. Garita na nke ba hu. Upeka be anu ihe onye akwuru. How many years ago? Video mere how many years ago? But ibu putele ya na. Bekani bele ishi na ona eje buko obi egwu igbo ha na ebuko obi ahụ ị ga-ahụ ya na ya apụta by then anye distract ya ịmana ọgwụ because number one you know even go school. You know say na me be your mama for this blue app. You know say na me be your mama jeju onye na akpọ bleacher. Strategy ni no wetere na this coming saga destroy them ya. Makachi I don't know why ndị local saga did allow that bleacher to Zuolike. She's supposed for him to put out the other day support. I'm not put out. I can put up again. Don't I put out. You want to go? Before Amurugi, and I know none of this saga, my local, my international. You want to go? So, and the local saga, and you the route to not relax. I lose Matulike. Uzuma, you know, doya. Na doya botu yenye oyem jiribazi hankete no go de bem no ma mmekwa na mabia na local saga doputakwa again. She must continue. Aga mabekwa na dokwa again doputa ya. So you don't understand the game. You don't understand the game. Ibelana ishila nke mbaka aishi mbaka all the video that almost getting to a year now. All the videos of media badala. So getting to here now, on baka boro when ya wo mu aka obro. It never reala. Una one use am. Come the thing. You say I go focus on baka, no go focus on them. I don't talk with I talk, I don't move. You want to go? Now, that one no work. That one 80 go ya. That one 80 go ya. You know work. It don't divert to video emere. Ejiko national mpage mpe body son na ontu. Mpe boni son na pontu because only opontu gamonye na pontu nage na pontu. Ge pupite ya ebe ikuku gbara gị na mpage na pontu. Ama na ntinye na oge wute ana eje buko egu. Mana gị buko ebe ahụ. Because ndị na-arụ ihe ahụ Jpac na Ebonyi son. This is how they are planning. Ana no member say ihe ahụ. You tell Jpac aware information that time. This is exactly the idea because oh my God, people now because as day goes by, people begin to see the truth. I deviate yemu. Now, Jpac had to call you. And with a voice note to send them. Report through you can. There was a voice note too. Who send them that time? Igejia may attach. Can people believe you? But Imana, before Jesus, Abraham was. Before Jesus, Abraham was. When he pulls so when she got her beatu penyona, that's me frame and I respect them and me respect it because 2 days I have reduced my 7 days to 2 days. I will be Jpac happy and show of shame. One I got a Jpac, I got a Jpac. I got a Jpac. I don't get time. I don't get time. I console Lucho Gigano look at a back. I'm a money war. I got a reba. One I got some black gown, no fitting. Ya got a reba. Ya reba. Get Sheba. My nose. I'm a show parade. When Saga never starts, and they made him an parade. Because actually, they be going to entertain. They be going to entertain. I'm out of me again. I get my day. And I wait, then I console the Ghana. Hey, Ogechi go cry for this one now. Ogechi go sleep. Ogechi, the thing gonna be Malele. How many days in? How many years in the saga? How many years in the saga? I'm all the moves when things are hurting you. I'm a manager pretending. I'm when you come for pen. Oh, like a bleacher. I can't pen. Yes, my different picture. I'm living fine. I'm living. Have you ever seen me to do those things? This give a picture, give me a detail, get here. Look at me. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. He didn't enter. Oh, me. I didn't hear that cause. I'm beautiful. Look at me. A G apple, make it up in you. A make it, a reduce way up. I'm beautiful. Look at me. I'm living good. I'm living good. So I got a bad. And they can't sample. Oh, more. Now, me want a sample for me. When I say no, they sleep. Me when I say. Me why don't be. Do you know that she? Best teacher is the gonna experience, the best experience. Gira here for complete 5 years. You are no longer new because anything all I made a seed of more than 5 years. Hey, just shake get Lordy after 5 years. You guys will now learn how to accommodate each other. 5 years is always the target point. Get below business. You will get 2 years, 3 years business and but I don't have 5 years. You will make it. Go and find out. I know they lie. You want to go? So I know the tricks, Nafaga. I know when you're trying to console yourself. I know when you're trying to cry to tell people that is not a lie. I'm your weak point. Another equal sugar nuts. I know the game. So all these lies in our park, is she like this guy corner? Get she decide the guy corner. You know go walk. Disregard that lies. The voice note was not made for a Ebonyi law song. The voice note was made for Ken, Palace of Justice. It has nothing to do with a Ebonyi law's criminal song. Here, Jpac in a reference of. People believe or not, that thing was addicted, and he knew that no getting am puria. Thank God for other people, my friend. Now he's trying to bring to another world. Everything are all lies. Don't be deceived. Now, Boramu Agoba, sorry, Nkitabola. Boram Nkitabola. Let's start with Ebo Derene and rest in peace. What I because I know when you look for trouble when I come for you. People should not get you and won't your job. I know you are a hungry man. I know that I go too much. I know you're going through a lot. Even to an extent, you are begging common 100,000. Even to an extent, you have to beg and beg to book ticket for you to come from Turkey, you know. Is a problem. All these things you are showing now are past glory, is over. Arapugogi. So all this amanshi, the day even amanshi, when I am together, that was the day you call your dead warrants. Now this blew up. That was the day you call your ancestors. Now this blew up. This particular today's video is not for Jpac. I just want to respect Sir Reverend Ephraim Borom today. But I just want to clarify your people at the beginning of this video and this criminal Ebonyi lost son name. Now, can you get your mother rest in peace? Can you get all the female children in your life? Your children rest in peace. Let's go to that video. Can we put this Ebonyi lost son? Okay, down again. A bed can yourself. Where is that your page? I should know Ketabola. Ketabola, right? Okay, hold on. I'm going to go to neighbor here on Ketabola. This young Ketabola. Eben Ketabola here now. Okay, bono. I'm not sure I'm asking Ketabola. Okay, she's a panic. I'm trying. I'm not sure I get Ketabola. Okay, you know they give them the worst if I give them the top knot. Hey, okay, okay, I'm going to use it. I can't oh, man, I'm moving.
Njaka. Ogechi Njaka. Call all your men and the people you prepare and you believe on. Ogechi Njaka. The war has begun. You have been summoned for what you request for. Sickness that will bring you down. Any man that sleep with you. Sickness, accident, in no distant time. No one can redeem you from this. Ogechi Njaka. Several lights of the Moses, crossbells of the hills, paved mountains of request, tabernacle summon of the altar. Ogechi Njaka. Ogechi Njaka. You have requests. Your request for destruction has been granted. For whoever that comes, whoever that shall be interferer, he has already passed through the message. Calamity, affliction, sickness, accident brings you down to the book. for you have requests. No one can stand on this word.
Share the video, click love and like, share the video, share.
Follows for the consequence. For you have requests, and so shall the cause be upon you. Calamity, sickness, accident. Good morning, good afternoon.
Agoba slippers. Nketa baller. Now come. Guys, share this video because when I'm telling them the truth. Because share this video. I don't want this video to trip off. Because when I trip off, I would that the sub account come jabia. And I made another account because I'm in that because share the video, share, do some praise. The next day they have my video trip. Facebook could disregard any. Please, because share the video. Share because share. I just look at this man and they laugh. You got bigger come na this blue up where. Yeah, this man got bigger come. Hey, Chineke. If okay, I brought those fake. Okay, I brought those fake kesa, those fake glass on a bad shampoo all good. I put like this yakoya like one other. Iya ito taga ka bigala kam. Ade jo chi mara odo. Ya ga dia. Oh, the man amaho. Omaho did the terror. Ay. Hey, Chineke nna. Ago banketa naka. Nkita bola. Ogrie keneriri. Okaji ekeshinono. Listen to me. I want you to write this thing down today. That I want the biggest mistake he made in this blew up. The biggest mistake he made. We then rest in peace. The biggest mistake he made ever one day burumu bana your local aroshi. Oh, the greatest pain that you face on this blue app. Ontiga nwo. Ikoshiri juesa. Na akpoba mu n'ulo deep. Anything would deep do. Hey, onye gbara ka ime. Ya gori na Bible ka ijiri memo na enwe mike. All Bible. But huna, because you know why? I'm a megidegi here. Eh? Because actually that's your abara. That is why I'm just pushing. I'm a megidegi here. That's your abara. Yes. I'm a megidegi here like this. Get burun katanishi. Arachamage. Akwana na tenu gubunu. That's on canon. Onye gwono shema kpokala na owu onye nkano na iwu onye gine keze ba ho sendere na ewu na mbiko na ndebe unu juru ga aju amemegide gi ihe ge buru ogu ga chi back that place to start digging ground ejiri mara unu ji aka ugbo next time owu onye niile ke ga aputa maja iwotago owu onye niile ke ga aputa maja were this one na omanshi nde ka emere secret aru ọrụ ya wụrụ gị nde ka emere ịmara na ha many arụshi na agbara atọ n'oge echi ịmara na na-ebecha na nwere onye na-akpọ Igbo Abuja were mu gaa na nke ndị Awụsa oh ịmara ọ dị ka ịmara na ndị Awụsa the worst ọgwụ n'ụwa ya wụrụ gị you that is a local criminal, you that is a local scamming man, you that is a hopeless idiot. Imuro thousands of children and wake ibe bono. You that ain't what today and when who repan and then Enugu State. You that is a empty concom that making the whole of noise. You that is out there like Kenan Gugu because of Oshizunu. Ima the worst thing that can happen to a man who Yasu Aturi Yanu Gugu to let your investment woman in Nigeria. Because of all you've got fake life. You that live the fake life was that king of Dubai for years and end up eating like a world dubo. No bodogi. Mechagi. I want the last draw you have ever mentioned of this blue app. In the name of Igbo mba manshege. Ejime me magic. Ogi patagege ejime ya yakasha pwa abrangena eji anama aham na bana magic. Eh? Agwaragi na ho Ogechi na bana magic. Wonyara. So if begin ano chaibe hano aka ego in case of problem then there is so like you imi body wise but kegiji amenegede wine in South Africa na wine in na Dubai Kimitri ego ki butere wa that day genye ahu ye jemo na go tuma oro gwan ya balaga gemi tie na Sudan ga do maka ahi ime ka ahi para ya balaga obi jiri were ego ki zutere no oshi fake as everywhere. Every day. Nina be making look. First, look at yourself. I am the AG. I am the. I'm giving a progono. That music progono that destroyed your destiny. Eh? When he sang that track, say we AG, we know we wake. Egypt don't rap away again. Make you put manwa in a this or one jereb and a manjereba is an among gege. Iga gave banner 1 month. Iga gana village June and 18 month, gaba 1 month. I want us and 1 month we buy him on this that 1 bedroom he be. That 1 bedroom where bongo mashi onyara when bongo. Get bongo quaco onyara. Yapandara no okai over. The highest people na pangongunda. You go to cool or get the kebe eba koro different in Dara na bia collect their property. Imagine when the department in Dara na drop in Gongo. So ya wuru get the department and they were in Gongo na ndompo. Amuma Kija Bime. Hey, what's up, baby? Yeah. We the G, we the clue, we the man. We sing the song. Hey, yeah, Mama G. We sang the song. Check me out. We was the OG. Huh? Oh, Mwa Kija be tiri OG. I am your biggest problem. Biggest problem. Just game as in so that you don't know how to solve.